Hello, hope you're having a good day. I suppose if you're here, you're probably wondering about 100% Pure Moringa supplement. Well, my name is Isabella and I'm here to help you with all your questions. So watch this video until the end to get all the information you need before purchasing this product. To begin with, I would like to inform you that the Moringa supplement is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that offer the product are not trustworthy, so I strongly suggest that you make your purchase through the official site, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, what is 100% Pure Moringa supplement and what is it for? Does it really work? It's a uniquely formulated supplement designed to help maintain healthy blood glucose metabolism, help your digestive system run smoothly, neutralize harmful toxins, and make your mind sharp again like when you were young. It can be taken by people with memory, digestive, joint problems, high cholesterol, as well as those who just want to increase metabolism and maintain the health of the circulatory system. The urban world is surrounded by many dangerous toxins, pollutants, pesticides, and harmful compounds that can cause serious health complications. 100% Pure Moringa is an antioxidant capable of combating these toxic substances due to its formula of essential and effective components to maintain circulatory health and increase the user's immunity. It is necessary to nourish our cells with these incredible antioxidants to protect our bodies at a cellular level. Using a natural, proprietary blend, the focus of 100% Pure Moringa supplement is to detoxify your system and restore your cells to boost your metabolism, cure your ailments and boost your immunity. Here are some of the effects you can expect after using Moringa supplement, according to the official sales page. Detoxification of the body and improvement in the digestive system. Increased energy and general well-being of users. Fights inflammation. Reduction of blood glucose levels. Blood flow support. Sleep quality. Memory increase. Combining the high quality of the natural ingredients used in the manufacture of 100% Pure Moringa supplement and the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the expected results. With that in mind, what is the best way to take Moringa pills? Just take 2 capsules every day before or after a meal and you'll love the results you'll see and how you'll feel. After all this information, you must be wondering if there are any side effects when taking this formula. According to the manufacturer's and official sales website, the 100% Pure Moringa formula is made with only natural, gluten-free and GMO-free ingredients. For this reason, it does not cause any side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. The 100% Pure Moringa supplement is guaranteed for 180 days. That is, if you buy and are not completely satisfied with the product, you have a full money-back guarantee. So, thanks for watching until the end. I hope I helped in some way with this video, and don't forget that if you want to access the official site of the 100% Pure Moringa formula, the link will be in the description of this video.